Welcome to Everything Happens for Us. Mastering Affiliate Marketing in 2025. We'll explore the key trends, challenges, strategies, and growth opportunities in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has become an essential component of the digital marketing ecosystem, offering businesses a cost-effective way to reach new audiences and drive sales. By leveraging the power of partnerships, companies can expand their reach and tap into new markets with minimal upfront investment. In this video, we'll delve into the most significant trends shaping the industry today, from the rise of influencer marketing to the increasing importance of data-driven decision-making. We'll also discuss the challenges that marketers face, such as navigating complex regulations and staying ahead of the competition in a rapidly evolving landscape. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, understanding these trends is crucial for staying competitive. We'll provide you with actionable strategies to overcome these challenges and capitalize on the opportunities that affiliate marketing presents. From optimizing your campaigns for better performance to building strong relationships with your partners, we'll cover everything you need to know to succeed. Additionally, we'll highlight some of the most effective tools and technologies that can help you streamline your efforts and achieve better results. This video is packed with valuable insights to help you thrive in the evolving affiliate marketing landscape. We'll share real-world examples and case studies to illustrate how successful marketers are navigating the industry and achieving their goals. You'll learn about the latest best practices and innovative approaches that can give you a competitive edge. Whether you're looking to increase your revenue, improve your ROI, or simply stay informed about the latest developments, this video has something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and get ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of the industry and be equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Let's get started. Most affiliate marketers are aged 25 to 44, with 54% being male. Affiliate marketing is global, with a growing presence worldwide. Competition is now fierce. SEO is tough. Affiliate fraud is a major issue. Diversify traffic sources. Transparency builds trust. Optimizing for mobile users is crucial in 2025. AI optimizes personalized experiences. Human creativity is indispensable. The industry will grow by 18.6% annually. Focus on e-commerce and SaaS. Average earnings. Most affiliate marketers earn over $20,000 annually. Keep up with industry trends. Experiment with new formats. To sum up, mastering affiliate marketing in 25 involves understanding demographics, addressing challenges, implementing effective strategies, leveraging technology, seeking growth opportunities, capitalizing on earning potential, and continuously learning. Understanding demographics is crucial because it allows marketers to tailor their strategies to their target audience's specific needs and preferences. By analyzing data on age, gender, income, and interests, businesses can create more personalized and effective marketing campaigns. This not only increases engagement, but also boosts conversion rates and customer loyalty. Addressing challenges is another key aspect of successful affiliate marketing. The landscape constantly evolves, with new regulations, technologies, and consumer behaviors emerging continually. Marketers must stay informed and adaptable, ready to pivot their strategies. This might involve overcoming obstacles such as ad blockers, privacy concerns, or competition from other affiliates. Implementing effective strategies is essential for driving results. This includes choosing the right affiliate programs, creating compelling content, and optimizing for search engines. Marketers should also focus on building strong relationships with their affiliates, providing them with the tools and support they need to succeed. This collaborative approach can lead to more successful campaigns and higher earnings for both parties. Leveraging technology is another important factor. From analytics tools that provide insights into campaign performance to automation software that streamlines repetitive tasks, technology can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of affiliate marketing efforts. Staying up to date with the latest advancements and incorporating them into your strategy can give you a competitive edge. Seeking growth opportunities is vital for long-term success. This might involve expanding into new markets, exploring different niches, or experimenting with innovative marketing techniques. Marketers can continuously seek new opportunities to stay ahead of the curve and ensure sustained growth. Capitalizing on earning potential is, of course, a primary goal. This means maximizing revenue from existing campaigns and identifying new revenue streams. Diversifying income sources can provide greater financial stability and reduce reliance on any affiliate program or marketing channel. Finally, continuously learning is perhaps the most critical aspect of all. The affiliate marketing industry is dynamic and ever-changing. Those who succeed are committed to ongoing education and improvement. This might involve attending industry conferences, participating in webinars, or simply staying current with the latest trends and best practices. In conclusion, mastering affiliate marketing in 25 requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses understanding demographics, addressing challenges, implementing effective strategies, leveraging technology, seeking growth opportunities, capitalizing on earning potential, and continuously learning. Marketers can navigate the industry's complexities and achieve lasting success by focusing on these key areas. Gap 0S. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below with your experiences or questions. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps us create content that resonates with you. Whether you have a story to share, a question to ask, or want to say hi, we want to hear from you. Engage in the comments section and let's start a conversation. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into digital marketing. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with tips, strategies, and the latest trends in the industry. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Sharing our videos with your friends and colleagues can help them stay informed and ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Your likes and shares help us reach a wider audience and continue to provide high-quality content. Thank you for being a part of our community. We appreciate your support and look forward to growing together. Stay tuned for more exciting content soon. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired. See you next time.